We are now paperless in the sixth form, so for A-level maths and A-level further maths, the students do not use paper. The students use their Apple Pencils to complete all worksheets, take class notes and complete assessments on the iPads. We distribute the resources to them via OneNote and Teams, pairing them resources with the resources from the website Integral, meaning that the students are able to do everything on their iPads. We share video solutions that we make in the department so the students can correct their work and see where they need to improve. And we've had very good feedback from the students with regards to the move. They've commented on the amount of time we save in lessons in terms of copying examples down and then not having to carry exercise books around school, which they really like too.
So it's really made our experience, hasn't it? Because we're not used to it. It's a whole new thing. So it's been exciting joining a new school, but also getting the iPads on the first day, logging into all the new applications, and it's really helped my experience. Like the transition, it's been a lot smoother. And you found that as well, like, you know, it's something new, but we've been supported through it and got there eventually.
In most of my subjects, I don't tend to use an exercise book anymore, and I feel it's a lot easier to just use OneNote on the iPad because you've got all the pens you need, you've got all the highlighters, the teachers can distribute as many pages as needed for that lesson or for your homework, and you can work straight onto the iPad. Unlimited pages, it's a really valuable resource.
We've been able to really bring maths into the 21st century, I think, with the way we deliver it. Long gone are the days where we've got blackboards and chalks and we're able to deliver it bang up to speed. We can display graphs on screen using Desmos. We can annotate over the top of things. Students are able to really show their understanding in their maths work using the iPads. I think, again, there's a real time-saving element. Students aren't having to copy out long questions and notes in their exercise books, and they can just annotate over the notes we provide them, which really helps.
OneNote is my absolute go-to app. I have everything on it. I've got all my exercise books. Literally, it's all on OneNote. And that's a really good way of.
Because that's one of the quite good things with the app. So you've got so I have 4 subjects, so I have a notebook for each, and then we'll have like collaboration spaces within those notebooks, and everyone in the class has access to them, so we can all share collectively our work. So usually, if we were doing that but without an iPad, we'd have to be passing things around the classroom where we can just all write on there and help each other, say with a maths question or a geography mind map. We can all collectively work together, and that's something that I found really helpful because you can share ideas, and that's really how you learn, really.
We use Desmos quite a lot in maths, which is a graphical tool to plot different mathematical functions as graphs.
It checks our work, doesn't it? Because if we don't know, if we're a bit unsure, like, Sarah will be like, just go look on Desmos, and then we can plot it, and we know there and then if we've got it right or not.
What we've had in the school that's worked very well is we've had the lead practitioners who've done a lot of IT support for the staff within the school. We've had one of the lead practitioners in the maths department who's been fantastic at helping me upskill the staff team. And I think the key thing is just to ask for support if staff need it.
So with the Apple Pencil, it's basically a way of replacing the standard pen that I would generally use. I can write everything directly onto the iPad. So going back to OneNote, you've got the lined paper, and I would just write straight onto the iPad with the pencil. It's lovely and smooth. It does take a bit of getting used to start with, but it's quite sensitive. Right, but as you press harder, it makes it thicker. Once you get used to it, it's just like writing with a standard pen.
And you mentioned the lined paper as well, like squared paper, you can change the view, you can change the colour of obviously all the fonts and everything, and it's really like, it saves you having to have a pencil case full of things, you've just got it there.
That's the greatest advantage of the Apple Pencil, is it basically replaces the pencil case.
As long as you've got it charged, you're fine.
I'd say the iPad replaces the exercise book and the pencil replaces the pencil case. It declutters your bag. It's incredible.